Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver Epson EcoTank, and this here the serial. Okay, I am need download driver app. Okay, you type the driver download. You type. Okay, please wait. I am search the official website for you, and I am need download Windows 11 driver Windows 11. This here the official website. Click here. This here the website appsound.com. Click here. This one. Okay. This here the printer, and you scroll down and plus please wipe website loading. And this video you need to download driver apps on Windows 11, and MC the for driver Epson make to a left. Okay, this here the detect automatic for the system operation. If you need select your system operation, click here, and this here the Windows 11. Okay, this here the driver Windows 11, and driver Windows 8, and driver Windows 9 for one, and 9.1, and Epson Windows 9, and Epson Windows 7, and Epson Windows XP, and Epson Windows Vista, and Epson Server, and this here the Chrome OS driver, and this here the Mac 12 driver, and Mac 11 driver. Okay, this here the like the much Mac version, and this here the apps on Linux driver. Okay, this video you need download driver Windows 11, like your system driver Windows 11, and click button go. Please wait. You scroll down. Please wait, guys. Okay, this here driver recommended for you. This driver and utility combo package. This here the package driver for much driver. This here the drive printer driver, scanner driver, Epson Event Manager, Epson software update. This here the one, two, three, four, five package driver, four package driver, and this here the compatible system for the Windows is like your here Windows 11, and your much system operation more, and this here the note to create search PDF with Epson Scan 2, and Epson Smart and Document Capture Pro. And please download Epson Scan UCL component for in the utilities selection below. And okay, this here. And if you need install driver only, or driver print only, and driver scan only, and driver wireless only, and this here the driver print only, and not scanner, this here the printer only, and this here the scanner driver and Epson scan 2, utilities and driver scan only. And Epson combo packet. This here the same for up, and this here the remote print driver, and this here the driver for the wireless. And this here the utilities Epson software update, Epson smart scan, Epson connect printer setup utility, Epson event manager, Epson scan UCL. This here is like the, if you need download, like if you need download, select the button download. Is this here the firmware, and this here the recovery mode firmware. If you need install for mobile, click here. This here the Epson Creative Print app for iOS. Yes. See. If you need install for the this here the App Store, and if you need install this here the Play Store, you search the Epson driver in Play Store. You download and you search the IP driver. Okay, you search the IP driver. You connect the printer for the wireless. You search the IP for the printer, and you connect the IP this print for mobile Android. And this video I am need download driver Windows 11 for the desktop, and click here download. This is recommended. I am need download here. Okay, this download on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. The USB cable printer, and your run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable. And you click next. If you need install for the wireless or Wi-Fi and or Ethernet, and you connect the printer for the wireless or Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and you you search the IP driver, and you click run as you search network search name what name printer.